Hello kids! Today in our online class we would learn a new recipe of non-fire cooking. Non-fire means we will not use fire to cook, but we definitely will need our adult or parents' supervision for chopping as we are small kids, right? So today we will make fruit salad. What we are going to make? Fruit salad. You know, fruits are rich in vitamins, minerals, fiber. They are so healthy for us. It's very important for us to have at least one fruit a day. It will keep us healthy, fit, and will help us to fight against deadly diseases. So, what are we waiting for? Let's see how we will make fruit salad. So here we can see so many fruits. Basically, we can find here two colors. Can you tell? Yes, one is red color and other is orange colored fruits. So let's sort out the red fruits and orange fruits. So these are all orange colored fruits and these are all red colored fruits. Now let's count how many red fruits are here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many orange colored fruits? 1, 2, 3, 4. So here we have 4 red colored fruits and 4 orange colored fruits. So 4 and 4 is equal. Now let's identify the fruits. This is an apple. Apple. It is red in color and we can have apple with or without peeling. It has many seeds, right? Apple. Now, does this looks like an apple? No. It is pomegranate. It has many seeds. Now, these are all oranges. Yes, these are all oranges. How many oranges are here? 4. Now if I bring and keep another orange here, then total how many oranges? 4 plus 1 equals to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have learned addition, right? Wow, there is another fruit here. Do you know which fruit is this? It's a banana. Banana. And how many bananas are here? 1, 2. Now we have another fruit here. What are these? These are grapes and they are all green in color. Please take help from your parents or any adult to chop the fruits into small pieces. I have taken here 1 chopped apple, 1 pomegranate, 2 bananas and 1 orange and grapes. So in separate bowls I have kept these chopped fruit. You will need some black pepper, black salt and chaat masala. Alright, and take a big bowl and a big spoon to mix it. So first we will take chopped oranges, then chopped apples, then 1 pomegranate and 2 chopped bananas. We will add grapes. Now with the help of small spoon, we will take black salt. It is different from regular salt Then chaat masala, and add black pepper. Now let's mix all the chopped fruits. Now our healthy, yummy, tasty, delicious fruit salad is ready.